For those who are keeping up with Amber and Johnny's high-profile court battle, you must know that Johnny Depp has decided to sell his property, where Johnny and Amber lived much of their short marriage. Why is Johnny selling the penthouse? Is this a gesture to show that he is moving on? Or does he just need some cash after getting canceled in Hollywood? Let's find out and make this video more interesting for you guys. After the verdict, Johnny Depp has been making some major headlines. He won the 6-week defamation battle against Amber Heard and was awarded $10 million, which was to be paid by his ex-wife. We can only imagine how happy he is. And now that he has moved on, Johnny also wishes for his ex to move on, but she is reportedly planning to appeal to the verdict and sue Johnny again. However, Johnny is too busy celebrating and vacationing with his old crew members. Recently, Johnny listed his and Amber Heard's former penthouse for $1.7 million. The 2-story condo is situated on top of a historic Eastern Columbia building in downtown Los Angeles. We are sure you are curious to know why Johnny wants to sell his penthouse property that he once shared with his ex, Amber. So, let's end your curiosity now. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss Johnny's exclusive penthouse which he has put up for sale. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. The penthouse that Johnny put up for sale once used to be Johnny and Amber's home. The two lived there when they were married for 16 months. Did the penthouse have too many memories of Amber, or is there another reason that is causing Depp to sell the penthouse? According to sources, Hollywood superstar Johnny Depp and his former wife Amber Heard's historic penthouse, where they shared sweet memories in the past, is up for sale, days after the jury announced its verdict in the defamation trial. Amber Heard and Depp spent a brief time in the lavish apartment located at the top of the famous Eastern Columbia building in Los Angeles. It is one of the 5 penthouses within the building, owned by the actor and sold after his divorce from Amber Heard. Upon his divorce from Amber Heard in 2016, Depp listed and sold all 5 penthouses for a combined $12.78 million. According to the details, all 5 units were interconnected when the former couple lived there. These were subsequently divided after Depp sold them. The penthouse that most recently goes on the market is listed for $1,765,000. It has a 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-story residence with 1,780 square feet of space. Since Johnny and his ex have gathered enough eyes through defaming each other in court battles, selling the penthouse at this time was indeed a very smart move to make. When else would have been a good time to put their love nest on the market if not now? This was indeed a very good strategy to get people to buy their so-called love nest at a good price. Are there any potential customers who are willing to buy the penthouse? There is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. To our surprise, little did we know that Depp owned 5 of the penthouses in downtown Los Angeles. But after his 2016 divorce from Amber, he listed and sold all of them combined for $12.78 million. Now, one of the apartments, the 1-bedroom, 2-bath penthouse, is up for sale again. There are no potential customers who are up to buy the 2-story penthouse, but since Johnny and Amber have gained worldwide attention, we are sure that the penthouse will not last long in the market. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the legend's fabulous and elegant penthouse? Has Johnny made a wise decision by putting his penthouse up for sale? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.